feel obliged to check it out. Yeah, do you want donuts? Yeah. Okay, let's go get donuts. Let's get donuts. Let's get donuts. All right, so it's just Hunter and me doing the food trucks. Caroline's gonna rest at home. Why is your sock at the buzz? Oh, you got a car? Oh, you got a car? Yeah. Good morning.
Family.
So, as we were feeding the ducks yesterday at Bridgeport, we were talking to our friend there, like I mentioned, and he mentioned this donut place near us called, what's it called? Luv'n Donuts. So we feel obliged to check it out. Yeah, do you want donuts? Yeah. Okay, let's go get donuts. Let's get donuts. Let's get donuts. So we're not like the biggest donut people in the world, but you know, once in a while, donut sounds pretty good. When's the last time you had a donut, Carol?
Maybe like 6 months ago or something.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Eileen, my little sister, brought us those fancy donuts.
Oh, that's true. Yeah,
Mojo
yeah,
donuts?
yeah.
Mojo donuts.
When's the last time you had
But we never really buy it on our own. It's very rare, right?
Yeah, it's usually they're given to us.
Yeah.
When's the last time you bought a donut?
I think when I announced my pregnancy with Hunter at work.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So-
I bought a dozen donuts for.
So that's like over 2 years ago.
That was the last time.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. Did we ever have donuts, like fancy donuts, when we went on vacation anywhere?
I don't know, did we? I don't quite remember if we did.
I think so.
Yeah, I don't personally remember the last time I bought a donut either. Have I ever bought a donut? I don't know.
You've never had to buy it for church or anything in the past?
No, I would buy something a little bit more refined than donuts if I had to bring it to church or a potluck. Yeah, I don't know if I've ever bought a donut. I mean, I ate donuts as a kid. My parents bought them or my grandparents bought them, but I don't know if I've ever bought a donut. So we got a little traffic circle here. We don't have many of these. I think in the United States in general, not very many in California specifically. Much more in Europe, obviously. Okay, so you're gonna loop around that way. There's another traffic circle. 2 traffic circles in Castaic. I didn't even know that.
Go left.
Yeah, you're gonna keep going that way. Yeah. I didn't know we had a traffic circle up here. And here we are at Luv'n Donuts. Wow. Hunter, you want donuts? Do you love donuts?
At least my credit or something.
Probably the donuts he's thinking of are the Japanese ones, right?
He said what's it called before?
Yeah, I thought you would.
Okay.
It's not right?
He said the other fancy ones that Eileen's brought us to.
Right, so probably want something with some meat in it for Hunter. In addition to the donuts. Donuts.
I love old fashioned. Oh, just the glaze, please. And one maple buttermilk.
We got a half dozen
Mommy loves this.
donuts.
This is Mommy's favorite.
Yeah.
Yum. You like it? Is it yummy? What do you call this donut?
Old fashioned.
Old fashioned, that's right. The croissant's pretty big. Like oftentimes from a donut shop, it's like
This looks legit.
it's not as big as this is. Hunter is eating it up, loving it. Okay, we're gonna go. You want out? Okay. Let's get you out. You gotta be patient, baby, okay? You gotta learn patience, okay? Yeah, we're gonna get out. Hunter's napping. I was upstairs working and I smelled something yummy. Came down here and Caroline's making, what is this?
I was trying to figure out what to do with silken tofu, and my friend Shirley sent me a video. That's the silken tofu. So it's just like a simple broth, and then it's got like some chopped kimchi, some shiitake mushrooms fried
Bought half dozen donuts this morning. We already ate them all. Wait, what?
Okay, I guess.
This is what remains, and it will be gone assuredly today. So we're having this, right? The soup with the silken tofu, and we might hit up this food truck event that is only about a mile from our house. There's like a Instagram page showing all the stuff going on in our town, and I saw this food truck event, and some of the food looked pretty good, so we might do that later. But I'm gonna start with this. Hunter's up from us now.
Yeah, he's showing him himself. Mickey, say hi to Mickey. Oh, don't do that. Oh, no, we're not gonna throw. Okay, Hunter, look at mommy. We're not gonna throw. Come on, look at mommy. Oh, Bear. Did he get hurt? Look out, Bear. Ouch. Eat it. Kiss it. Put a bandage on it. Better.
All right, so it's just Hunter and me doing the food trucks. Carolina's gonna rest at home. I think the food trucks are gonna be out for another hour and a half. Obviously, it won't take that long, but we didn't want to go right when it ended because sometimes, you know, they run out of food or the good food anyway. So we're gonna see what they got. Wow, there's a long line. I think it's for that white rabbit one, which is just like Filipino fusion food. All right, so we were told by somebody who recently got food from the White Rabbit that they like waited for 3 hours. So I guess it takes a really long time. So I might check out one of the less popular food trucks here, because the White Rabbit one, I think it's just gonna take too long. So let's see what else we got here. We got the Middle Feast. We got Heritage Chicken, Heritage Kitchen, and the hibachi truck. Okay. Hunter, where's the food trucks? Yeah, you like them? They're different colors, huh? Where's the blue one? Yeah, there's the blue one. And where's the black one? Yeah, there's the black one. And that's the fire one over there, yeah. Alright, so I think we're gonna do this Heritage Kitchen. It seems like something I know Hunter will like, right? Chicken sandwiches, and the line is not very long at all, so that's what we're gonna do. Probably gonna get a couple chicken sandwiches, call it a day here. So Caroline didn't want anything, so I just got a chicken sandwich and a burger. Hopefully Hunter likes at least one of those things. I think he'll like both. So we're gonna get a chicken sandwich and a burger. You like burger? You like chicken sandwich? Yeah, we gotta wait, okay? Yeah. Let's take a little walk first, okay? Let's just walk around. It's gonna be a little bit, okay? So this area here that we're in right now is called the Valencia Industrial Center, kind of for obvious reasons, right? Like it's a very, you know, industrial, you know, it's industrial class property. So we're just gonna take a walk around it while we wait for our food, 15-20 minutes. Yeah. Because Hunter is very excited. Are you excited for the food? Yeah. State of California, Public Safety Communication, State of California. That walk was short-lived because Hunter pointed to the trucks. He wants to go back and look at the trucks because that's what we told him we were coming for. So we're gonna go back to the trucks and just wait over there. Looks like back here behind the food trucks, we got kind of some, is this the police station? It says Los Angeles Police Department, SWAT support unit. Is this for real or is this like a movie set? I don't even know. I should look on my map. I gotta wear your hat because it's a little cold. What color truck is your favorite? Which color truck is your favorite? You like the green one? Or the blue one?
Oh yeah.
There's an orange one. Over there? Oh yeah, there's another kind of orange. Yeah, there's another orange one over there. You're right. Do you like the black one? Yeah, there's cars on your shoes, but baby, we gotta leave your shoes on because it's kind of cold. Okay? Yeah, yeah. Look, there's some cars right here. There's all these trucks right here. We're gonna get our food real soon. We got the food. Long awaited. Probably about a 20-minute wait. Now we're gonna go home and eat it. Okay, here's some yummy chicken. So it kind of got smashed in the car. But, fried chicken's pretty good. That's coleslaw in there. Pretty good. I couldn't get the spicy one, obviously, for his sake, so this one's like not spicy. So between Hunter and I, we polished off those 2 sandwiches. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. What did you do? Did you put your sock in the bus? Why is your sock in the bus? That's very silly.
Hi, Eddie.
That's very
How are
silly.
you today? I'm great. Thanks for
That's very silly. Good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good. Mix it up, mix it up. And turn the oven on, or turn the stove on. Yeah, yeah. I know, it's a little hard for you still, but yeah, there you go. Daddy help you. Yeah. Make the bacon. Yeah, good job. Yeah. Oh, want to read that book? Let's read this book. Ooh, ah, ready? Yeah, I say ooh, you say ah. Yeah, you ripped it. Yeah, I know. You do that to books. Ooh, I can't hear you. One more time, even louder. Ooh. Now, if you see the color, okay. Here we get more books. Caroline is here. Is it? I feel pretty warm. This is good. Long line. Well, not long line. The Filipino place that's like the most popular one. Super long line. Like people said, it's potentially could take hours. So we went to one with like no line. It was pretty good. I mean, you know, it wasn't as warm when we got home like that I was expecting it to be. I don't know. Maybe that's because we were in the cold and. Oh yeah. But the burger was seasoned really well. The chicken sandwich, I would say the burger was better than chicken sandwich. Yeah. But then again, I didn't get like the Nashville burger, which is what they're known for, because it's spicy. And with him, we can't do spicy, so. So I got super curious about those like SWAT cars, those SWAT vehicles behind the food trucks. I was like, what is this? Is this some actual like SWAT LAPD headquarters? Or was it a filming thing? And I think it's a filming thing. Because I looked on Google Maps here, and this is it, right? I kind of zoomed in on that location. You know, those are the trailers we saw. And then, but if you zoom in on, where is it? On this trailer here, I don't know if you can see it on the, if you zoom in on that vehicle there, it says, you can see it clearly says Sony Pictures. So, mystery solved. That's not a legit SWAT vehicles. It looks like it's just like a filming equipment or filming location. So, mystery solved. I spent like 15 minutes on my phone right now trying to figure it out. So, all right. So I continue my sleuthing. I Googled it here. I just Googled Sony Pictures SWAT and. Yeah, it looks like it's a show on CBS on Wednesday nights. So that's what, yeah, that's what it is. Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. Hunter, blow the whistle. How about mom? Can mom blow the whistle?
Daddy pretending he has a whistle? He's actually whistling with his mouth.
Yeah. You'll learn how to whistle someday. For now, you can just use the whistle.
Remember,
Yeah,
not
but
all
keep
the way.
it. There you go. I gotta tickle you! Tickle, 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 Can you say tickle, 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 tickle? Tickle.
Okay, you want mommy to tickle you now? You want mommy to tickle Daddy? Okay, ready? Tickle, 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 tickle.
Okay,
A
stop
gentle
hitting.
tickle.
It's not
Yeah, gentle tickle. Okay, ready? Tickle, 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 tickle.
You're quite a sight right now, man. You could fit in that bag.
Be like Mom with the purse and driving a car. Let's put it around your shoulders. It goes around shoulders, not your head. Like this, yeah. Like this. There you go. There. Now you're a cool dude.
Well. There's Goofy, yeah. So we decided to watch a little bit of. He was getting really tripping over himself, and I think he was really tired, but it's not quite his bedtime yet. So we're gonna watch an extremely goofy movie. This is the sequel to a Goofy movie.
He's on the skateboard. See the wheels?
Oh, they're skateboarding. Yeah. And what about the other animals that we see, Hunter? Let's look for the other animals. Yeah, what does the lion say, Hunter? What does the lion say? Yeah, we saw the lion at safari. What did the lion say? What does the lion say? Where's the bear? Yeah.
Can you see bear?
It's a snake.
Yeah, we saw snake too. That's big python,
Hunter, good night. Good night. Oh yeah, you're so goofy right now. Delirious. Alright, good night, Hunter. We love you. Bye. Bye. Okay. Yeah, some water to wash down all that sugar and salt.
Yeah, put sheep's bandage on him. On her. There you go, good. Oh yeah, you gotta kiss it.
So the bread? Yeah. So you gonna make some cheesy bread? Grilled cheese? Yeah. Oh yeah, you're gonna bake it? Yeah, bake it.
Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yeah, but yeah. Did Dad teach you that?
Huh?
The hand motions to the song.
Oh, no, I was just reading it.
Oh my, okay. You know what? Mommy's gonna hold it then. Mommy's gonna hold it then.
Oh, we got Mommy's purse. Now I got the goods.
Men can wear, I told you that men can wear purses called man bag.
Oh, I don't know about that, Caroline. Is that true? Pick it up, baby. Pick up Chevron Techron. Hunter, it's okay. He's on the ground. Hunter, guess what? You can walk right over there and pick him up. Go pick him up. Hunter, you trying to skateboard?
We don't have a skateboard for you guys.
You trying to skateboard like those guys on this?
Someday.
Bugger.
Boots, yeah. Yeah,
Duck?
there's a duck quacking.
Quack, quack, quack.
Click.
Yeah, let me just finish it.
Okay.